Laura from Tutors.com, and in today's video we will learn about pollution. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in today's video are pollution, air pollution and then water pollution. Let's move forward and let's try the few pre-assessment questions. So you can pause the video here, you can try the given questions, and once you are done with all the questions you can resume the video to check your answers. Pat your back if all of your answers are correct. And now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's have a quick discussion about pollution. So pollution simply stands for something unwanted. For example, unwanted noise is noise pollution, unwanted dust is air pollution, unwanted particles or dust in water causes water pollution. So we can say that pollution is the action or process of making land, water, air, etc. dirty and not safe or suitable for use. Let's move forward and let's learn about different types of pollution. So we are going to learn about these two kinds of pollutions, which are air pollution and water pollution. Let's talk about each of them in detail. So let's begin with the first one, which is air pollution. So air pollution refers to the release of pollutants into the air that are hazardous to human health and the planet as a whole. Or we can say that air pollution is the release of such gases or particles in the air that can harm organisms and affect our climate. Let's move forward and let's talk about causes of air pollution. Well, the first one says burning of fossil fuels. Well, that's correct because pollution emitting from vehicles including trucks, jeeps, cars, trains cause immense amount of pollution. The next is waste from factories and industries. Well, manufacturing industries release large amount of carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons and chemicals into the air, thereby depleting the quality of the air. The next one is mining operations. Well, during the process of mining, dust and chemicals are released in the air, causing massive air pollution. With that, the next is agriculture activities. So use of insecticides, pesticides in agriculture activities has grown quite a lot and they emit harmful chemicals into the air. And the last one is indoor air pollution. Well, in this category we include household cleaning products, painting supplies which emits toxic chemicals in the air and thus causes air pollution. So it was all about causes of air pollution. Let's move forward and let's talk about effect of air pollution. Well, because of air pollution one may have respiratory and health problems. It's a major cause of global warming. It has really bad effect on wildlife. It causes acid rain. Basically acid rain possess high level of hydrogen ions which can have harmful effects on plants, animals and infrastructure. And with that it's a major cause of depletion of ozone layer. Now let's move forward and let's have a quick discussion about greenhouse effect. Well, the greenhouse effect is the natural process by which the atmosphere traps some of the sun's energy, warming the earth enough to support life. You can say that global warming is the increase of Earth's average surface temperature due to effect of greenhouse gases. Well, greenhouse gases includes water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone and some artificial chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons. So this was all about greenhouse effect. Now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's talk about solution for air pollution. Well, the first one is to use public mode of transportation. The next one is to use LPG cylinder for cooking food. The next one is to understand the concept of reduce, reuse and recycle. And the last one and the most important is to go green. Now let's move forward and let's talk about water pollution. So whenever harmful substances such as sewage, toxic chemicals gets mixed with water, the water becomes polluted and the same practice is known as water pollution. Let's talk about the causes of water pollution. Well, the first one is fertilizers and pesticides which are used in agriculture, sewage and food processing waste, chemical waste which are dumped into river and lakes, and heavy metals such as lead, mercury, etc. Now let's talk about effect of water pollution. Well, the first one is death of aquatic animals, the sourdering of food chains, many diseases, polluted drinking water, and the last one, which is damage to the ecosystem. So it's high time that we think about remedies for water pollution, and let's have a quick discussion about same. The first one is prevent groundwater adulteration, grow by organic foods, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Sewage water must not be directly poured into any water body. And the last one, which is factory owners should take appropriate measures to stop the discharge of waste into lakes, rivers, and oceans. Now let's move forward towards the next slide, and here are a few practice time questions for you. So you can pause the video here, you can try the given questions, and once you are done, you can resume the video to check your answers. Congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.